How to cash in Fidelity investment. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can cash in Fidelity investment. So in order to cash in Fidelity investment, all you have to do is make sure to stick with us till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So in order to withdraw or to cash out from your Fidelity investment, you can either do it through electronic funds, that is EFTs, to your bank, or you can wire transfer to your bank account. So basically what you'll have to do is you need to log in first of all, and then you have to tap the transfer button located right at the bottom. Next page, it's going to ask you to select the account from where you actually want to transfer and to which account you want to transfer. So once done, next page you need to enter in the exact amount that you're transferring and then confirm all of the information. And if you're sure about it, then you'll be receiving a notification stating that your funds will be added to the balance in a couple of days. So in this way you can cash out in Fidelity investment. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.